All right, so I caught Itchy in a trap. Okay, so I'm not exactly sure how this is gonna work. I'm gonna go get him and bring him out. But I do have my body cam on, so I can record that and show you guys later. Itchy! It's okay, Itchy. We're just gonna go for a ride. We're gonna go for a one-way ride, that's all. All right, it's okay, Itch. It's all right. Again, don't fall through the ceiling. You're not gonna bite me, are you? I think you are gonna try to bite me. It's gonna be a little bit of a weird ride for you. I know. Relax a little bit. Relax for me, hey bud. Hey bud. You're doing good, man. You're doing good. Let's see if this works. All right, so the live, the peanuts in the shell worked pretty good with a little peanut butter. This is always a fun part, getting out of here. I've never had to get out of here with a squirrel though before. All right, bud, we're gonna have to tip you a little bit. Let's see how he's doing here. Hey, buddy. What's up, buddy? It's all right. It's all right. I know, it's scary. I'm gonna tip you a little bit. Oh boy, come on, baby. Sorry, bud. All right, we out. Get me out of here before he pees. All right, so there he is. Little booger's been hanging out in the attic. We're gonna go for a ride, okay, buddy? Okay, good.
Okay.
All right, here's Itchy's new home, buddy. Hopefully.
We've brought him to Midwestern.
Hopefully he doesn't bite me when I lift this out.
Go, Itchy,
Well,
go. Woo!
There he goes.
All right, Itchy, your new home. He's like, what happened to the insulated nest I made?
That was,
It's
we're
cold
good.
out here.
He was pretty fast. He was ready to get out of there.
He's ready.
All right.
All right.
Success.
That's good since it's so cold out.